churn is on in the Congress party to find a suitable candidate to replace Manmohan Singh. Congress's top choice as its leader for a possible UPA 3 is obviously its heir apparent, Rahul Gandhi, whose reluctance to take charge has been quite apparent for a long time now. But when it comes to thinking out of the dynasty box, none of the party elders seems to be willing to do so.
The writing on the wall for Manmohan Singh went up on the 8th of December.
At the opportune time, the Prime Ministerial candidate, the name of him will be announced.
The Congress party has the ability to transform itself.
Well, if that meant a break from dynastic rule in the Congress, it was not to be. The Congress party is likely to announce Rahul Gandhi as its Prime Ministerial candidate on the 17th of January at the AICC session in New Delhi.
We would wish, as a Prime Minister, that Rahul Gandhi ji is projected and he does take it on.
जो होगा वो हम आपको अनाउंस करके बताएंगे, खुशी-खुशी बताएंगे, बट उचित समय पे बताएंगे.
अब ये 3-4 राज्य में हार की माला उनके गले में डल गई, तो उससे अगर राहुल जी को पीएम अनाउंस भी करेंगे तो इसका मतलब कांग्रेस मन बना चुकी है विपक्ष में बैठने का.
राहुल गांधी जी और उनकी पूज्य माता जी इस देश में सरकार और कांग्रेस पार्टी पर्दे के आगे और पर्दे के पीछे दोनों तरह से चलाते हैं.
The ICC session comes at a time when the Congress party's base is shrinking and faces two strong challengers, Narendra Modi and Arvind Kejriwal. While Kejriwal's AAP is gearing up to eat into the Congress pie, Modi is openly eyeing the Prime Minister's chair.
According to Congress party insiders, Rahul Gandhi is the man for the moment. They want him to lead the party in the 2014 elections. What works for Rahul Gandhi? He's young, he's dedicated, and he wants to take the party forward. He wants to ensure that new leadership comes up. What doesn't work for him? He's seen as a part-time leader who's there trying to make changes, but when things don't work for him, he steps back, takes a break. The other strong candidate to lead the party in 2014 elections, people are talking about P. Chidambaram, the Union Finance Minister. What works for the Finance Minister? His stint as the Home Minister. He actually tried to bring in a lot of changes in the internal security apparatus of India. He's seen as a strong person, perhaps too strong for the party, too strong for the family. Will he listen to the party? Some fear he may not. Who else? Meera Kumar, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Now she's a Dalit, she's a woman, she's Babu Jagjeevan Ram's daughter, she's a former Foreign Service officer, and she's a party loyalist. Could work in case Rahul Gandhi is reluctant. Who's the other choice? The Union Home Minister, Sushil Kumar Shinde, is the other choice. Again, a Dalit face, a party loyalist, considered close to Sonia Gandhi, but his stint as the former Union Power Minister or presently as the Union Home Minister is nothing much to write home about.
Early this year, Congress party elevated Rahul Gandhi to the position of Vice President to enthuse the workers and mobilize the organization. But the results of the assembly elections were disastrous. Now the Congress party will have to bite the bullet because BJP has already announced its Prime Ministerial candidate. Now one will have to see whether Rahul Gandhi will bite the bullet or will continue to be a reluctant leader. Kartikeya Sharma from Delhi for Headlines Today.